pagi. Ya. Okay. Good morning. Back to Padang Bay. Nothing else I can tell you. Just today it's really low tide. As you can see, we have to walk to the water pretty far. This is the first time. Usually we are here when there is a high tide. But the water is really calm today. And Laura said that she has a good feeling about these dives. And maybe we will see something really good. The visibility yesterday in Ahmed was really good. I hope that there will be the same visibility also here. back from Nusa Penida. Was it good?
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Yep.
We got how many? 4 mantas.
4. Yeah.
4 mantas.
Big mantas.
Black with no half of the fin.
Yep.
Right? Like, okay, tip of the fin.
Tip of the fin gone.
No tail. It was like a disabled manta club or something.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah. But anyway, it's beautiful. Pretty good visibility, especially on the second dive.
That was great the second
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
No really current, really mild current. Just in the end, right? In the beginning we were swimming like against the current. And then I felt that it's again, like everybody started breathing heavily. So we turned around and swam with the current. All right, thank you very much for watching. Today is different. Our Made is going to be a snorkeling guide for someone. First time ever. That's cool. Alright, another day. I decided to put these 2 videos together. We did already one Nusa Penida trip. I'm gonna dive with 10 years old Katya. She will see the manta race for the first time ever. And I'm super excited to see it and film it. Otherwise, everything as usual. Any expectations for today?
Yes,
What are you gonna?
I wanna see many mantas,
Yeah.
some shark,
Bamboo shark.
bamboo shark for sure, some
Yeah.
octopus
Uh-huh.
and turtles.
Turtles. You were lucky yesterday to see the nurse sharks in Chandidasam.
we saw 2 nurse sharks and 2 huge stingrays.
Wow.
You will see in
Lucky
video.
you. Yeah. I know I've been lazy on these videos, but it's been pretty busy with the IDCs and that stuff. So I promise by the end of the year I will put it all together, and then little by little I will upload it.